So we are on to part 6. This is a lot of episodes. Wow. What can I talk to you about today in science? Let me think, or in this episode. I'm a big fan of space. I like a lot of different things about space. There's this idea. It's how people could get trapped by a black hole. And we were talking about naming things, okay? So some humans come up with all kinds of funny names for things. We say Canadarm, Canadarm2, and Dexter, those Canadian space technologies. So another funny naming thing is humans, if they were to get trapped by a black hole, it probably would not be good for them. They would die. Black holes have gravity so great and they are so dense that if you get stuck by a black hole, you'll actually cut in half just below your belly button. And you'll keep cutting in half because the gravity is greater at your feet than it is at your head and the top until you're a single strand of atoms stumbling into the abyss. We call that spaghettification. So somebody would turn into a piece of spaghetti if they were to get trapped by a black hole, which makes it impossible for humans to go through a black hole and come to the other side. But don't worry, black holes are really far away from us on the cosmic scale compared to, how far you and I are from each other. So, Lily heard me talking about my belly button. She wants to come do some more Lego with me. So I was just being a bit silly. I was talking about turning into a piece of spaghetti. What is this piece? I don't know what that piece is. So anyway, we're going to go get back to building here. Welcome to part 6. It's probably my last one of for a couple hours anyway, because I have a student meeting here at noon our time, so this is probably the last one I post. I'm running out of time. So, where was I? Pardon? 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. I'm teaching things. I'm talking about things. I'm teaching things. You're talking about that piece? Okay. Sometimes it's hard for me to find the pieces when I've been away from the Lego for a little while. So I just keep looking for them. And eventually I find them.
Help you with Lego.
You'll have to help me with some of the Lego? I would love for you to help me with some of the Lego. That would be very nice.
I feel building.
I'm building another part of the space station.
Oh, right there?
Yeah. So far we have built the base to hold the space station, the space shuttle, the body of the space station, and then some satellites. And we built this piece, or started building that piece last time, which I think is another piece, maybe part of Dexter or Canadarm. We'll see when it's all done.
I'm seeing what the structure needs.
You're seeing what the structure needs?
Mm-hmm.
Or what the instructions are telling us to do? There you go. Just don't catch you, but what if you fall?
Look.
Oh, one of the astronauts?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
There's not one of these. If you want one of these.
Thank you.
And finger that structure needs.
Yeah?
That's a builder of this.
Oh, it is? Okay. We're actually going to attach these.
What are these pieces? What are these pieces? What are these pieces?
What are those pieces? Those are solar panels.
What are those piano?
Solar panels?
And remember, this one goes on this one.
Oh, yeah?
I remember that. God, it has helped really.
You have to help me a little bit? Wow, it's really coming together. Okay, so I forgot to tip my camera down. There we go. I've just attached part of the robotic piece, I think, to the body. And in the body, there would be all these chambers to do space science.
And one thing of these I want to think about taking.
Remember, not in your mouth. I know your thumb's in your mouth, but make sure you're not putting that in your mouth, okay?
My thumb is in my mouth.
Your thumb? Sometimes you like to suck your thumb when you need to be soothed.
And this thing can be building pieces.
You are?
I'm trying to think of these pieces. These pieces for building. This one. On here, Daddy. It's really good on here next. Okay, going.
It wants me to set this on top.
I think you have to build out a little Lego.
You think?
Mm-hmm. And Daddy, that's the instruction.
Yeah?
I'm following the Ecopod. Ecopod. Ecopod.
Things are starting to come together.
Trying to come together. Who read it?
This book? I actually need this book to be able to build things. And it looks like I did one thing backwards here.
Backwards?
Yep. Just fix that.
I can fix that too.
You can fix that too? Thank you.
I think it goes down here.
That one, maybe?
Maybe here.
Maybe.
Maybe the spot. The spotted. Just make it up. This is meal. I think this is meal you call it. Pretend meal.
Pretend mail?
One mail. And I'll put that mail in the box. The pretend mail. Or the pretend mail.
I don't know if this just rests on top of that. It's now the... Okay, we're going to set this over here. We've got to do some thinking for this one.
Can it go? You just go down here?
Let's go here. Do you want to find me one more of those pieces? Oh, that's not the same piece. This one's the same.
Oh. That's my Pikachu. Oh.
You've got some pigtails. Oh, you're a bit cuddly, aren't you, Lil? You feeling a bit tired? Yeah.
I'll sleep him on the couch soon.
You'll have to have a rest soon?
I have to sleep on the couch.
You think so? Okay.
Just for a little bit.
You just fell a little bit?
Like that.
that's nice, Lily.
I just want to stay with my mommy and my daddy and my Ophelia.
Yeah, you just want to stay with your mommy, your daddy, and your Ophelia? That's nice.
I like cuddle with people.
You like to cuddle with people?
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to cuddle with William or Uncle Guy or Auntie Laura sometime?
Mm-hmm.
I think that would be nice.
Mommy and daddy and Ophelia can cuddle with our heart.
Yeah, we can all. Then we can all cuddle together.
This has like some flowers on it.
Your dress has some stripes and flowers on it? I see that.
And I see flowers on yours.
You see flowers on my shirt too. Do you like my shirt? Thank you.
Daddy, that's your school one.
This is one of my school shirts, you're right.
You think you change.
You think I should change because I'm not going to school right now?
No.
Oh, I thought I'd wear my nice shirt for my meeting I have with my students.
Yes, I thought to. And I thought you would take it off and change.
I hope somebody comes to my meeting today, Lily. Nobody came to my meeting yesterday, guys.
How no one?
Nobody came. It was just Daddy sitting on the camera. If that happens again today, maybe I'll just be able to do some more Lego.
What's Mommy doing?
Is Mommy outside, Mom? Oh, the tent's blowing. I don't think so. Maybe it's just standing on its end, I don't know.
There's a butterfly on the window.
Oh, you see a butterfly or a moth on the window? Yeah, I think we all might have to have some lunch.
What's that?
That was the tent blowing.
There's a moth outside.
You saw a moth outside? I saw a couple moths outside. There was one moth that looked just like a leaf.
Can Mommy fly it away?
But you think your mom helped fly it away? Maybe.
I just don't want to think about this.
You
I
don't,
don't want to think about this. I think.
you don't want to think too much about it?
Nope.
No.
Mommy, there's a moth.
There's a moth?
Right there. The window.
Right on the window. Well, if you look down a little bit.
Fuzzy. And I have to super clean.
Oops, I put that on backwards.
I put that on backwards. Daddy, I think you have to turn the page backward, but instead of it. I'll help you with that one.
Yeah, you got it. I just put it on there. It's just going right on there right now. You want to see?
Okay.
So I think that's probably as good a part because I'm now 15 minutes from my meeting with my students. And the laptop just fell. So I'm going to let you guys go. Maybe I'll keep recording if nobody shows up to my meeting. But I think my grade 9s, I think some people will show up. Okay. You going to wave bye?
Bye.
Bye. Love you. Okay, bye.